This week, I received a call from someone who's exploring the e-2 visa as a possible option for them. And she asked me a fairly common question. She asked me how often she would have to renew or extend her status. That is a great question that I hear fairly often. So I thought it might be helpful to make this video to discuss that topic. The first thing that you should know is that there's a huge difference between an e-2 visa and e-2 status. Status in this context refers to your ability to stay in the United States, while the expiration date on your visa tells you how long you'll be able to use that visa to enter the United States. Now, if you're in the early stages of exploring the e-2 visa as an option, then I recommend that you check out the visa reciprocity schedule that is posted by the United States Department of State. This is a good starting point. When you go to that page, you'll select your country of nationality so that you can see how long your e-2 visa will be valid for. Now, you might think that this number tells you everything that you need to know about how often you'll have to renew your visa. That is sort of true, but not entirely. This is the reason why. For each entry into the United States on your e-2 visa, you will get 2 years of status. This is the case even if your e-2 visa is set to expire in a few months. This is great news for applicants from places like Canada and the UK because their e-2 visas are generally valid for 5 years. So instead of applying for an extension towards the end of their authorized period of stay in e-2 status, they can simply re-enter the United States and get a fresh 2 years of status, assuming that their visa is still valid. Unfortunately, some entrepreneurs from other countries aren't so lucky. Nationals of some countries will receive an e-2 visa for a much shorter duration. If your visa will only be good for, say, 30 or 60 days, then you'll either have to stay in the United States and eventually extend your status before it expires, or you will leave the United States and have to apply for a renewal of your visa before you can re-enter the United States in e-2 status. So hopefully this information was helpful. The main headline here is that you probably won't have to renew your visa or extend your status as often as you may have previously thought because of this practice of granting 2 years of e-2 status upon each entry. Best of luck on researching the e-2 visa as a potential option. If you decide this is something that you're interested in, then I highly encourage you to reach out to one of the many amazing US immigration lawyers that you can find across the globe. If you did enjoy this video, please like it or pass it along to someone who could benefit from it. Thank you for your time.